All right, so I didn't really expect it to look like this. I thought it'd be some cheap, just cardboard box, but it's not. It looks a lot nicer than what I expected, considering it just being from eBay. Came from Japan. They were made in Germany. Let's open it and see what's in here. Okay, so it's pretty nice packaging so far. Oh, nice. Okay, this is pretty nice. I mean, I haven't opened it yet. This is first opening of it. Looks, you got a little, comes with a remover tool to remove the old one, which is pretty nice because I don't even have one. Let's see, get these out of here. So this is what they look like. They got a little blue cover around them. I'm not gonna take them off right now, but looks pretty simple. Just plug and play. Here's your cord where it's supposed to plug in. And that's pretty much it. You got both of them come in this nice styrofoam so they won't get scratched up or anything. Looks pretty nice so far. Let's see if there's anything else in here. No, that's it.